I'm going to talk about how to remove the grille from a Ford Focus 2009 SE, which also requires that I talk about the rivets that hold the grille onto the frame. So let's start with this first rivet. You can simply use a flathead screwdriver, stick it under the centerpiece of the rivet, pull that out, and then once you do that, you can remove what I'm going to call the outer piece of the rivet. Okay, so a rivet essentially comes in two pieces. There's a centerpiece and there's an outer piece. When the centerpiece is in there, is inserted, you can't collapse the outer piece. But when you pull the centerpiece out, you can now collapse the outer piece. So what that means is that if you pull the centerpiece out, you can pull the outer piece out of the hole, and it will allow you to remove the grille from the frame. So I'm going to remove the other three pieces, the other three rivets that are holding the grille to the frame. So you pull out the centerpiece and you pull the outer piece out. Pull out the centerpiece and then you can pull the outer piece out. And then removing the grille is really easy. Those were the only things that were holding the grille to the frame. Just yank it off. There you go. That's how you remove the grille from a 2009 Ford Focus SE.